Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, looking for a truly simple and satisfying meal. Sloppy Joes are an absolute classic, renowned for their juicy, flavorful ground beef smothered in a wonderfully sweet and tangy tomato sauce. They're incredibly quick to prepare, making them an ideal choice for a busy weeknight, perfect for feeding the whole family. This recipe promises a delicious experience that everyone will love, truly a crowd-pleasing dish that's both hearty and delightful. Our first step is to brown your ground beef. Grab a large skillet, place it over medium-high heat, and add about 1 pound of lean ground beef. As it cooks, use a wooden spoon or spatula to break the meat into small, even pieces. Once fully browned, it's really important to carefully drain away any excess grease. This ensures your sloppy joes aren't overly oily and have the best texture. With your beef perfectly browned, it's time to build those amazing flavors. Return the beef to the skillet, then add in some finely diced onion and a colorful bell pepper. Sauté these vegetables gently for about 5 minutes until they become tender and wonderfully fragrant. Now, stir in your sauce essentials: ketchup, a touch of yellow mustard, and some brown sugar for that signature sweet and tangy taste. This combination truly brings the dish to life. Once all those wonderful ingredients are combined, bring your sloppy joe mixture to a gentle simmer. Reduce the heat down to low and let it cook, uncovered, for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the flavors will truly meld together beautifully. You'll notice the sauce slowly thickening to that perfect, spoonable consistency, making it wonderfully rich and ready for serving. And just like that, your delicious homemade sloppy joes are ready to enjoy. The classic way to serve them is piled high on a toasted hamburger bun. The slight crunch of the bun really complements the soft, savory filling. For an extra touch, you might add a slice of cheese or even a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a pop of color. They pair perfectly with a crisp side salad or some crunchy potato chips, making for an absolutely delightful and easy family dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.